Completely uninstall the subsystem for Linux on Win10? I was fooling around a bit with the Linux/Bash subsystem for Win10. But then I decided to stay with Cygwin for now. So I uninstalled it, or thought I did. Now I've installed Cygwin and put its bin directory first in the path. In cmd.exe, when I type bash, it will start the Cygwin's bash. But when I do +r and type bash, I still get the prompt. How do I get rid of the Linux/Bash subsystem entirely, so it will instead pick up Cygwin's bash from the path?
In order to disable WSL, one has to go back into Control Panel and GT, Programs Features and GT, turn on /off Windows Features and deselect Windows Subsystem for Linux, and save.
If your OS has been upgraded to the Fall Creators Update, you should be able to issue the command slconfig. You could of course try uninstalling first by using the command lxrun/uninstall/full. If it's still there, you can try unregistering the distro. First you need to know which distro is installed by using. From the list choose the distro, for example Ubuntu, you want to uninstall and type the command.
Edit. This would only work on Windows Server, not on client OS. Similar to what Rob suggested, but you can also use PowerShell to completely remove the Windows subsystem for Linux, with the advantage of not having to look for it in Control Panel. Note that you will have to run this as an administrator. List all the features available filtering for Linux.
I can't seem to get a clean uninstall of WSL. I had WSL2 installed and was having DNS problems, so I wanted to uninstall everything and go back to WSL1. I turn off the feature, delete the distros, delete the WSL update app, make sure hypervisor and Windows subsystem for Linux are disabled in programs and features, and reboot. It looks like it's uninstalled. But then when I tried to install the minimum WSL again, EA just enabling WSL in Windows programs and features, rebooting, and downloading a distro. When I launch the distro I get, WLS2 requires an update to its kernel component. Why is it complaining about WSL2? I'm just trying to install WSL1? My guess is that there is some registry bit or something that still makes it look like I'm trying to use WSL2. Any ideas on how to get a truly clean uninstall of WSL so I can get back to version 1?
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.